Hello everyone, now continue to the next step to model the mezzanine floor. Click on the structure, click on the levels, and we model the mezzanine floor on the structural wall 1-1. Models, column, and we use the auto design option and click on the edit, use the edge section 200, click OK, and for design section order we also choose the edge section, select, and the rotation 90 degree, OK. Yes, and select on beam. We click the outside beam or parameter beam. We use the steel beam, and the inside beam we use the composite beam. Now I will model for you. Use the non-composite and eye section. Okay. We use auto design option. Yes, copy one column, escape, select copy, click, and select beam, select right click, copy, and select beam again and change it to the composite beam. And the section we can keep it, design grade you can keep it. Now change the, it's okay, and create the edit, create infill, and composite. Number of infill you can try it 3. Okay, play it. 1, 2. After place the beam, click on the model, slab on beam, we use a composite slab. Change the overall thickness to 120. Okay. This is the direction of the composite steel deck. To turn the composite steel slab off, click on the slab icon and select on the beam, control select, control select, control select, and change it to composite beam. Or you can keep it as the steel beam. If you use the moment connection, fixed connection, you can keep it as the main frame. Okay, it is the main frame, and main frame. You can keep it. Yes, you can keep this beam as main frame, this beam as the main frame, main beam, and this beam, this beam, this beam. Okay, now I want to use inside beam as the composite, and for the outside parameter beam we use it as the steel beam. Everything is okay, and after that check. No, we can't use it. We has a problem with intersection member. Again, click copy, and right click, copy, click, click on the node, click on the node. And so the slab item again. Now I want to use this column. Copy it, copy, and click on slab opening. Click it and click it. Yeah, this is the slab opening. Delete the column. Delete. Okay. Click on the 3D view to check it. Yes. So we change this beam section. Do the same. 340. Yeah, it's correct. And for the column you can select it and change the level. Okay, you can select one row, and the top level change it to the level 2. No, level 1. Yeah, it's correct. Escape. Select on the beam and change it to level 1. The same, change it to level 1. Okay, let's check. Yeah, everything is fine. It's correct with our concept right now.